Hi everyone, welcome to my channel.
In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to delete page in PDF file. To delete page in PDF file, we need to use one online tool. The link is in my description box, you can use it. Now click on Remove PDF Pages, then choose the PDF file. Which page you want to remove, just click the delete icon. Then select on Create. Then save the file. That's it. Very simple and very easy.
Thanks for watching. Comment below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more.